guys to our subject, physics subject GRE. So 91, basically two uniform disks have the same mass and the same momental inertia and collide with frictionless horizontal surface. And when it collides, then they move together, and you know that there's a V naught and omega naught at the beginning. And we ask about total angular momentum. Okay, so key point is that the total angular momentum is conserved at this point. So this is the fact. Okay, so now you have two kind of momentum. One is the rotation. Rotation is I omega naught, and then there's a translation. Okay, so rotation is this one. Okay, so this is rotation, and so the rotation has this the angular momentum is I think it's omega naught directions. So you can say that it flows out, but you see the R here. Okay, so let me draw a diagram. R here, and the velocity is headed to the right here. This is R. So here R cross V is flow in the pages. So this should be minus sign. So we have M. R is basically this distance, and V naught. So you say, oh, which is amazingly cancelled. So it asks about the magnitude of total angular momentum about a point P, which is zero. So the answer is A. This problem is difficult that if you don't know that the angular momentum will conserve at the P point, then there's no way that you can solve this. Okay, so 98 is a simple integral. Okay, so say that there's a cylindrical glass rod, and the wall that has a charge uniformly distributed at this one, and ask about the electric potential here. Okay, so it's very easy. The electric potential is KL squared, but your x is I should write K lambda over S squared, and from L to 2L. So lambda is the density. So we should have lambda L equals to Q. Okay, and so this is ask you about what? Ask you about the potential. Okay. Ask you about what? The electric potential. So there should be K lambda over X, not X squared. X squared is the electric field, so we have K lambda log X. And we can plot 2LL. So basically, it will be K lambda times log 2. And the lambda is Q over L, log 2. So what's the vector? Log 2. So the answer is D. That's it. I will see you guys in the next video.